The following short video is designed to help AACC employees to register for a professional development presentation. In order to register for a professional development opportunity, you will need the STARS number and the term for the professional development you would like to register for. Typically, you will find this information in an email provided to you by a coordinator or in a special program for a specific event. Once you've decided which professional development you would like to take, you would log into your My AACC. This is where you go to accept contracts or to access your Canvas classroom. You would go to the left-hand side menu. This menu will have a slide-out bar, and you would go to the Self-Services tab. From the Self-Services tab, you are going to open the Employee menu. In the employee menu, you will find registration, and you will select employee registration. Please note that if you want to register for a regular college course using your employee waiver, that would be registration through a different screen. This screen is only for professional development workshops. So I would add my STARS number, and then I would select the appropriate term. I'll now hit the Submit button. This has registered me for that course, and I need to hit Submit again. You will now receive an email letting you know that you have registered for an AACC professional development course. That email will be followed by a Zoom link. If you are registering right before the course, you may need to contact the presenter to get a Zoom link directly. It is recommended to register 24 hours before any professional development course so that you can ensure that you get all of the information to participate.